I'm sorry.
Good people go to jail too. Good people, bad people.
You shut up.
Is that how you talk to someone? Is that officer supposed to talk to someone like this?
Yeah, we're here doing a custodial search on you.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. In 2019, Roland and his stepson were attempting to repair a customer's car that had become disabled in the church parking lot where she was employed at. The security guard at the church, unaware of the arrangement, had called 911 instead of making contact with the man and asking questions. And soon, officers Krista McCabe and Cameron Paralot of the Huntsville Police Department arrived on scene.
Good. How are y'all doing?
I'm 36, I'm 40, I'm 20.
How you doing?
What are y'all doing?
I'm from that description.
Huh?
What are y'all doing?
Get in the car.
36, it's
Is this your car?
3-3 drive all
Well,
day.
one of my customers.
1867.
One of your customers?
Dog tail. Yeah. I was over here earlier.
Whose car is that?
That's mine.
The black one?
Yeah.
Alright, take a break from me real fast and y'all have driver's license or IDs on you?
I ain't gonna submit to no ID. Listen, you call this lady right now. Listen, I ain't got time for this. I've been all over. I don't mean to be rude or nothing.
Okay, no, you do need to give me your ID or driver's license.
Listen, I don't want you to run me and for nothing.
Are you refusing to give me your ID or driver's license?
You call this lady on this
Step
car.
over that one.
Come on, man. See, here's y'all playing.
You're playing right now. We don't got time for this. We really don't got time for this.
Man, y'all don't understand.
You don't understand the law.
I do. I got three officers officers.
I'm 36.
Y'all know.
Turn it the other way.
Y'all press my left arm up in there. Whew.
So just left further.
Get this ID and get you off down, man. I got to go. Hey, twist to my left when I asked you, sir.
Alright, I'm gonna undo your cuffs.
Yeah,
and you twist your wrist around.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna give you my ID. I have my pocket.
Hey, man, will you go stand in front of my car for me?
Come on, give you my ID, man.
No, we'll get your ID.
Keep your wrist like that.
All right.
All right.
They're good. They're good now.
No, look.
They're good right now. They're not too tight.
Okay, you're under arrest for obstruction.
I didn't do nothing.
All right. So if you resist any further, you will also get charged with resisting arrest. You understand?
Listen, I give you my ID. I tell you what's going on. This is ridiculous. I'm trying to get a customer's car here. I'm in a rush. My shop's unlocked over on Governor's Drive right now. Man. Do you want my ID?
Where's your ID?
It's in the car, I'm sure. I thought it was in my pocket. You're all down in my pocket for no reason.
Now 47, now 13.
I said my ID is in my car. Go over and walk in and get my car.
Okay, well, he's still going to check your pocket because I don't know what's in them, all right? And you're not going to get placed in my car without knowing what's in your pocket. Now 47, code one.
Now 47, sub 4.
You shut up.
Is that how you talk to someone? Is that officer supposed to talk to someone like this?
Yeah, we're here doing a custodial search on you.
I didn't do anything. What y'all need to do is call Ms. Noel Patel right there in this office right here and hand me the key. That's what you need to do.
I already explained to you, all right?
Man, I am such a rush. How long has it been, man? I've been trying to get over and get this car all day. And then here, there it is, okay. Look at it.
3821 Crane Drive.
That's it right there.
Is that all his pocket?
I think she's having problems with her landlord who's making
I got change and stuff like that.
Come to the 1020. Pick them on the other phone.
Sure, come on.
This ain't necessary. This ain't necessary.
It is necessary.
The problem is Roland hasn't broken the law, and an officer has no authority to demand a person's papers without suspicion that criminal activity was afoot. Unfortunately, the law enforcement officers have little to no understanding of the law that they are hired to enforce, and tell Roland that he is obstructing an investigation by refusing to give his identification.
Called obstruction.
Listen, I didn't do anything. Please
Yes,
please
he is.
listen.
I've
Please.
already told him that he's under arrest.
This is ridiculous, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey, look, I didn't do a crime, but she's trying to arrest somebody for not doing a crime. She's trying to arrest me for obstruction. For what? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Huh? That's what I'm saying.
Sit down.
Listen, please listen.
Sit down.
Well, that's what I'm saying, man. I got my shop unlocked over there. I'm trying to confide. Man, please listen to me.
Sit down
in the car. Man, this is... Please listen.
No, you don't want to listen to us.
I'm trying to explain to you. I'm trying to explain. Stay.
Okay, once again, just have a seat right there for me, okay? Do you have... No, I just need your ID. Thank you. Okay. So, all right, he is going to jail. All right? Yes. Okay, well, that sucks. I mean, good people go to jail too. Good people, bad people, if they break the law, they go to jail. All right? I asked him multiple times for his ID or driver's license. Did I not? Yep. Okay. Then he refused. I asked him again if he was sure that he was refusing to give it to me. He confirmed that he was refusing to give it to me, and at that point, he is obstructing an investigation, and he is going to jail. All right? I'm out here because I got a call stating that vehicle, okay, is an employee here, and you guys were inside the car, and you're not supposed to be inside the car. Okay? And that's fine. All right? But I'm still here making sure that you're not doing anything illegal. But it took me now, how long have I been out here? Like 5, 6, 7-ish minutes, okay? I'm just now getting to tell you why I'm here because of his action. All right? I'm just now getting to explain what I'm investigating because he deterred me from doing that. All right?
You know, that's his car. He owns the body shop from Governor's Shelf Station, Auto Collision. He owns that. I've been with him. Look, I own a business too, and paint business. He's the stepfather, my mom's husband. This car has been at the body shop all day, man. This car is what's been here all day. He came over here to get it fixed. I mean, I swear to you, my father just passed away. You know, he'd like to follow me. Can I show you my business card? I mean, I have no weapons but a knife on me if you want to get it, you know.
Why did you need to stop? I'm going to call you.
I'm sorry.
Officer McCabe now goes to the church to speak with the 911 caller.
1070, 1063, reckless drivers.
Hey.
Highway 72.
Y'all call. Okay. So, whose car is it that is an
It's
employee?
Miss Dola. She works here.
Which
at the
car is
daycare.
it that's hers?
The red one.
Okay. Is she here?
No, ma'am. They've already went home for the day.
Okay. Well, what's her last name?
I'm not sure.
Is it Perez, maybe? Does anybody know what it is?
Because I'm just a security guard, and all I seen was them jacking up a car. Miss Dola, do you know her last name by chance? I don't know if it's in the book.
Man, y'all have a bunch of goodies?
Yeah.
I just got some Taco Bell and now I'm out here. Apparently, he has his own body shop and he's over here picking it up to bring to his body shop to fix it. He actually refused to give me his identification, so that's why he's going to jail. I mean, it may be completely legit that he is out here just picking up the car and it's with her consent, but when he tells me no, that he's not giving me his identification to identify who he is, then that's in trouble.
They'll let him know you got something wrong.
You
ain't got no warrant, no he's got to, you might have didn't take.
All I know is she's a teacher here, and she told me that was her car, and I know what car her son and her daughter drives, and that's not either one of them.
Okay.
So that's why I called it in.
Just let them know that I need to verify that these gentlemen are supposed to be picking it up. Just if he wants to know why we're here, but I'll try to get her contact information off of her tag.
Roland now gives the officer his phone, and she calls the vehicle's owner.
All right, go over to phone.
Like 1029.
Now go down to Codgel. Actually, I talked to him today. Codgel Club, right there, Codgel. Codgel Sale. He's the man that owns that car, Codgel.
DeKalb County.
Your wife, though, does she drive the red Toyota Camry?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, she does.
Yeah.
This is Officer McCabe with HPD. Okay, we got a call of a man working on your wife's car, and I was out here, and I needed to verify that this man was supposed to be working on her car. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all I needed to know, was that he was supposed to be working on her car. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
They said you're going to jail for obstruction of
There's no crime committed.
There is. You refused multiple times to identify yourself with me.
You can argue that point in court. Now, what do you have to say? What do you need to release to your son?
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Really? I mean,
Okay, do you have nothing else to say?
I don't know what
Okay,
to say.
cool.
Sir,
Okay,
hold
cool.
on, sir. I
Okay,
don't know
cool.
what to say.
What do you need from him? Well, obviously he doesn't want to talk about that. He wants to talk about him being charged. So I have the keys to that car on the top of the car. You're free to go.
Somehow, neither of these unprofessional and rude officers knew the most basic part of their job, and nearly 1,000 videos on this channel show that it is an epidemic throughout departments across the US. Because of this incident, Roland was charged with obstructing governmental operations.
Future reference, like I said, if a cop asks you to identify yourself, just go in and give your ID.
You know what? Looking back.
And then when you said,
You know what? Look at what.
I don't need my name ran,
I didn't want my name ran.
red flag.
The baseless charges were eventually dropped, and it is likely that the officers were never reprimanded, or maybe even think that they did the right thing, even after Roland sued the city and the 2 Huntsville officers for the wrongful arrest. At first, an equally uneducated federal judge at the district court granted the officers qualified immunity and dismissed the lawsuit. However, on appeal, the federal appellate judges rejected the officers' argument that they had probable cause to arrest Edgar for refusing to produce physical identification. The judges stated that Alabamians do not have to show identification when asked by the police. Edgar had not committed any crime. Therefore, the police had no basis for arresting him. Judge Wilson wrote that it has been clearly established for decades that police are free to ask any questions that they want, but the public is free to ignore them, and that neither the parties nor their own research could identify any Alabama law that generally requires the public to carry a physical identification, much less an Alabama law requiring them to produce it upon demand of a police officer. There simply is no state law foundation for Officer McCabe's demand that Mr. Edgar produce physical identification. And with that, the judges found that the officers are not entitled to qualified immunity and have sent the case back to the district court, where it is likely that Roland will be awarded a sizable settlement at the taxpayer's expense, due to indemnification, where a municipality will cover their officers even when they lose qualified immunity. The reason we think it's probable is because the city of Huntsville say that they're disappointed in this decision, showing that not only the officers, but other city officials have no respect for the constitutional rights of their constituents. So let me know what you think about all of this in the comments down below. And if you like this video, be sure to check out one of the other ones linked on screen.